Although the release of the One UI 7.0 beta update has faced significant delays, it is reportedly just around the corner. But how soon exactly? That remains unclear. For those eagerly anticipating Samsung's next One UI version, there's some exciting news. New details about One UI 7's animations and transitions have surfaced. Tipster Ice Universe has shared some detailed insights into the animations and transitions featured in One UI 7.0. According to him, the screen-on animation is a soothing wallpaper shrinking effect. The unlocking animation is a bouncing effect. The pull-down animation adds a spring rebound animation. The desktop app opening animation adds a more non-linear floating feeling. The desktop app return animation adds an icon pattern zoom effect. Add a parallel animation for opening multiple apps continuously. Add a full animation for sliding the app sideways to return to the desktop. In the settings, click any button to add a press rebound micro animation and a new return animation effect. Add transition animations and new UI for widgets, such as lock screen music. Add elastic animations for real-time notifications in the desktop notification bar. More to be explored. It is expected that after the beta is released, new animations will be adjusted and added based on the feedback from internal test users. Please accurately feedback problems and suggestions at that time. The One UI 7.0 beta will initially roll out to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea and the USA. A few days later, countries like China, Germany, Poland, and the UK may also receive the update. Without sharing the video, the leaker revealed detailed information about the animation improvements in One UI 7. The upcoming update is expected to introduce a fresh and dynamic experience for Galaxy users, with significant transitional enhancements throughout the software. Samsung is stepping up its lock screen game with a feature that might look familiar if you're an iOS user. Meet the No Bar, One UI 7's answer to live activities. Here's everything you need to know. Thanks to a recent leak, we now have a glimpse of the No Bar's design and functionality. If this sounds like something Apple has already done, you're not wrong. iOS 18 has its live activities via Dynamic Island, and Samsung appears to have taken inspiration for One UI 7. Once enabled, Galaxy users will see key information at a glance on their lock screens, making everyday tasks more seamless. TechCallan, a leaker on X, formerly Twitter, recently shared screenshots allegedly showcasing One UI 7's No Bar. The images reveal how this feature integrates with apps like Samsung Clock's timer and voice recorder, making them visually accessible. Positioned between the left and right lock screen shortcuts, the No Bar sports a clean, pill-shaped design. Its elements include a blurred background to enhance readability, app icons, keyed information in text, and real-time updates. Think of Android's phone call timer pill, but Samsung is taking it to the next level with this more polished and dynamic approach. While the clock and recorder apps are confirmed to support No Bar, there's speculation that many other stock and third-party apps will follow. Users will reportedly be able to disable the No Bar through settings, giving them full control of their lock screen's look and feel. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.